We're learning some new information in the case of a man who police say was giving his 12-year-old daughter a driving lesson, and that is when she hit and killed the man and his dog. Tomas Mejia is charged with negligent homicide as well as endangering a child, and he was expected to appear before a judge this morning. Channel 2's Sophia Ojeda tells us why he did not show up. Sophia.
Yeah, good morning. 42-year-old Tomas Mejia was not in Harris County Court this morning because he's in ICE custody on an immigration violation. We learned that this morning. Now, Mejia is facing criminally negligent homicide and child endangerment for that fatal car crash that killed a Houston man last week. Prosecutors say Mejia was teaching his 12-year-old daughter how to drive in a Southwest Houston parking lot when the girl pushed the gas instead of the brake, hitting and killing Enrique Vasquez and his dog. Mejia posted a $2,000 bond in Harris County, but was later picked up by ICE on a violation.
To allow a 12-year-old who obviously has no real knowledge on how to drive, nor should any 12-year-old, but, you know, that's so grossly negligent. That rises to such a level of criminality that he's facing basically a third-degree charge. He has an attorney. Our goal is to work with everyone to ensure that he returns to court. I think the easiest way would be for ICE to give him a bond as well. If he's able to make that, then we proceed just as we will with every other.
Now, prosecutors say that Mejia also had a 2-year-old in the backseat of the car when that incident happened. Also, no word on what that violation is all about and why ICE took him into custody. He is due back in court in October, and if convicted, he faces 6 months to 2 years behind bars. Reporting live downtown, Sophia Ojeda, KPRC, Channel 2 News.